एक गरीब लड़का जो रात को स्ट्रीट लाइट के नीचे पढ़ता था, आज उसकी कहानी सबको रुला देती है। रवि was a poor boy who lived in a small village. His father worked as a labourer and his mother cleaned houses to earn money. Life was not easy for them, and sometimes they did not even have enough food. But Ravi had a big dream. He wanted to become a teacher one day. Every morning he went to school wearing old clothes and carrying a torn bag. After school, he helped his parents with work. At night, when everyone was asleep, Ravi would sit under a street light and study. He had no proper books, but he borrowed them from his friends. Many people laughed at him. They said, "You are poor. You cannot achieve anything big." But Ravi never listened to them. He believed in himself and kept working hard. Days passed, then months, 10 years. Ravi studied with full dedication. Finally, the day came when his exam results were announced. Ravi stood first in his class. Everyone was surprised. The same people who laughed at him now praised him. His teachers helped him continue his study, and with time, Ravi achieved his dream. He became a teacher and started helping poor children like himself. Hard work and determination can change your life.